What is going on, everyone? Welcome in today's tutorial on how to swap your Bitcoin or convert your Bitcoin to USDC on Coinbase. So what we will do, log into your account on coinbase.com, and after that you will visit your assets. Now, please notice that you must have a amount of Bitcoin in your crypto wallet. So if you don't have any amount of Bitcoin in your crypto wallet, this method isn't available for you. You first need to buy some Bitcoin. Now, if you have those Bitcoin in your wallet, just simply click on that. And now you will be redirected to the page of the Bitcoin pricing. Here you can buy, sell, or convert your Bitcoin to other assets. So what we will do, we will select the Bitcoin convert option on top over here. And after that, you will see the Bitcoin is selected. We are converting or swapping from Bitcoin to Ethereum. But we want to convert or swap it to the USDC. Simply click on the Ethereum option, and after that, the asset list will be available. Now we would like to select the USDC. After that, you can fill in the amount of Bitcoin you would like to convert. For me, it is €3.31. Fill that in. And after that, you can click on Preview Convert. Now click on that and it will give you an overview about the costs or the fee cost you will be paying to convert this asset to USDC. Now, if you want to convert it, just simply click on Convert Now and the Bitcoin amount will be withdrawn from your account, from your wallet, and the USDC will be added to your asset list and your wallet. So hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. Cheers, bye bye.